Welcome to this tutorial on using the AMD ROCm Profiler to find and fix GPU bottlenecks. As a developer working with AI computing workloads, you need tools that can help you optimize your code for maximum performance. The ROCm Profiler is an essential tool in your arsenal, providing detailed insights into your application's behavior on AMD GPUs. In this video, we'll show you how to use the ROCm Profiler to identify bottlenecks and improve your code's efficiency. The ROCm Profiler is a comprehensive tool designed to help developers optimize their applications for maximum performance on AMD GPUs. With its advanced features, you can identify and resolve bottlenecks in your code, ensuring that your AI computing workloads run smoothly and efficiently. The ROCm Profiler offers a range of advanced features that make it an indispensable tool for any developer working with AI computing workloads. With its comprehensive event profiling capabilities, you can gain detailed insights into your application's behavior on AMD GPUs. To get started with the ROCm Profiler, you'll need to set it up on your system. This involves installing the profiler, configuring your environment, and running your application with the profiler enabled. Once you've collected data using the ROCm Profiler, it's time to analyze the results. With its advanced features, you can identify bottlenecks in your code, analyze performance metrics, and even use auto-tuning to optimize performance. In conclusion, the ROCm Profiler is an essential tool in your arsenal as a developer working with AI computing workloads. With its advanced features and comprehensive event profiling capabilities, you can identify bottlenecks, optimize performance, and get the most out of your AMD GPU hardware. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the AMD ROCm Profiler to find and fix GPU bottlenecks. If you're interested in learning more about optimizing AI computing workloads on AMD GPUs, join our #AMDevs community today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert tutorials and insights into the world of AI computing.